and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Fruit Mince rolls. We're going to make these delicious rolls in the Kmart sausage roll maker. Okay, we've just got one sheet of puff pastry. We've cut it into 8 little sticks. We're going to line our sausage roll maker with our puff pastry, which is really quite soft because it's summer here. Top and bottom, no need to grease the sausage roll maker. Like so. Then we're going to close the lid and turn it on and cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's nice and puffed, golden and brown. Make sure you cut these, don't do the fold over method that I've showed you because you need them to sort of puff individually. So they're quite sticky, they will sit inside the lid without too much trouble. I'll show you what I mean, if I can turn it around. Okay, so there's the lid. You don't need to turn it upside down, I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Don't forget to make sure you remove the plastic from all of them. Make your operation a success. Okay, there we go. Turn it on and close the lid. 5 minutes later, we're going to check it. After just 5 minutes, this is what you should have. They're nice and crispy, golden brown and hollow. So just pop them out, turn your sausage roll maker off, let them cool. We're going to split them and fill them with the fruit mince that we made earlier and some whipped cream. Okay, it's time to assemble our fruit mince matchsticks. So we're just going to cut them in half with a serrated knife. Open them out. Layer our fruit mince into the bottom of it. It's like a plum pudding pie. Okay. Put some custard over the top of that, and I've showed you how to do that in a different recipe. That's only our 3 ingredient 5-minute custard. And then on top of that, we spray our whipped cream, pop our lid on, and give the whole deal a shake of icing sugar, powdered sugar. And there you have it, a plum pudding roll. Okay, and continue with the rest. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's fruit mince matchsticks made in the Kmart sausage roll maker. Now I'm going to call them plum pudding rolls. They aren't plum pudding, but they have all the plum pudding flavours and they're chilled. So they're really, really tasty and very, very pretty. I'll cut one in half and show you what it looks like inside, shall we? Always use a serrated knife when you're cutting bakery stuff. Look at that. Yum. Crispy pastry. Assemble it on the day and they taste amazing. Thanks for watching.